saying what each corner is. I'm still not going to remember these corners. This one's like mud. I know that one just because it's always muddy. Woohoo! 129 Slayer. That's me, I'm a Dragon Slayer. It feels like it. I've been through here enough this year. I have not been on the Skyway much though. The Skyway's been worrying me. I'm pretty sure all 3 motorcycle cops are up there today. When I came through Tellico Plains, there were a lot of bikes. And when I came down 360, there were a lot of bikes headed to Tellico Plains. In the winter, when you come through here on a bike, you can see the whole road through the trees. It's pretty cool, because when you're riding it like this, you don't realize how many times you wind around yourself. Killboy. I don't think Daryl Sands out here anymore. I think that Joker's made enough money that he doesn't have to do it. The Honda linked braking on this bike makes it all worth it. Did you notice those choppers? Rewind a little bit. See how close their hands were together. They have a sign back there. It's a one-way road. Do not enter. And then it says weight limit 6 tons. So explain that one. They're slaying it. We just made this turn at 20 miles an hour. They are killing it. They're killing it. Look at them go. 20, 20. Oh, are we going to use the pull off? Use the pull off! Poor idiot. 105 pull-offs and they don't know how to use one of them. Yay! This road's still a little muddy or a little bit damp from rain last night. US 129 photos. The last picture he took of me on the 848 was perfect. That is my desktop background. And we got a skill boy. You can't have too many photographers. Oh, thanks for sharing my lane.